Ever been caught in a sudden downpour or hit with a wave of slushy snow, only to realize your wipers are completely useless? Streaks everywhere, loud squeaking, and visibility so bad you're gripping the wheel like it's a life or death situation? Yeah, we've all been there. And trust me, when the rain is pouring and the roads are slick, the right set of wiper blades can make all the difference between a safe drive and a nerve-wracking nightmare. That's why we went all out to find the best windshield wipers of 2025. We tested durability, performance, streak resistance, and longevity to give you the ultimate ranking, from good to the absolute best. With top brands like Rain-X, Bosch, and PIAA in the mix, there's a clear winner. And today, we're revealing which wiper deserves to be on your car. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Consumer Picks is your go-to for unbiased reviews, in-depth product comparisons, and expert recommendations to help you make smarter buying decisions. And as always, you'll find links to every wiper we mention in the description below. Now, let's get started. Car. Let's kick things off with a solid budget-friendly pick, the Goodyear Assurance Weather-Ready Wipers. If you're looking for reliable performance without breaking the bank, these are a fantastic choice. First off, these are beam-style wipers, meaning they have a sleek, aerodynamic design that hugs your windshield and reduces wind resistance. Unlike traditional wipers, which can freeze up in snowy conditions, these won't collect ice, making them perfect for winter driving. What really sets them apart? Their universal fit. If you've ever struggled to find wipers that match your car's attachment style, these have you covered. They work with nearly any vehicle, including those with unique BMW-style connectors. Now, let's talk about the downside. Since these use traditional rubber instead of silicone, you might notice that over time, they wear down faster and lose their streak-free performance. That being said, for just $16 per blade, these are one of the best value options you can get. Coming in at number 5, we have another budget-friendly option that packs in surprising quality for the price, the Trico Flex. Costing around $17 per blade, these deliver strong water removal, minimal streaking, and a flexible frame that provides excellent windshield coverage. One of the standout features of the Trico Flex is its beam design, which offers a better fit on curved windshields compared to traditional metal frame wipers. If you've ever had wipers that missed spots on your windshield or left gaps of water, the Trico Flex fixes that with its flexible design that ensures full contact with the glass. Bottom line, if you need a solid, low-cost wiper that performs well in rain and light snow, the Trico Flex is a strong contender. It may not be the best of the best, but for the price, it's hard to complain. Next up, at number 4, is a well-known name in wiper technology, the Rain-X Latitude Water Repellency Wipers. These take standard rubber blades and upgrade them with a built-in Rain-X water repellent treatment, a game-changer when it comes to driving in heavy rain. The biggest advantage? These wipers apply a Rain-X-like coating to your windshield as they wipe. Instead of water smearing across your glass, it beads up and rolls right off, improving visibility in heavy downpours. This feature makes the Latitude Water Repellency Wipers stand out from other rubber wipers in its price range. That said, if you want a mid-range wiper that gives you that classic Rain-X water-beading effect without spending too much, the Latitude Water Repellency Wipers are a fantastic choice. Now we're moving into the best of the best, premium wipers that deliver exceptional performance and next-level durability. At number 3, we have the PIAA SciTech wipers, which offer a true high-end experience for those who demand the absolute best visibility in any weather condition. The biggest highlight? Silicone blades. Unlike rubber wipers, silicone lasts longer, resists UV damage, and performs better in extreme temperatures. But what really makes these wipers unique is that they come with a windshield preparation pack, which includes alcohol cleaner and liquid silicone. This means right from installation, you get the best possible performance. The only downside? The price. At $36 per blade, these are one of the most expensive wipers on the market. But if you want turnkey premium performance, they're worth every penny. At number 2, we have one of the most popular wipers on the market, the Bosch Icon. These wipers are everywhere for a reason. They work insanely well. These feature a beam-style design that flexes perfectly to your windshield's curve, giving you full coverage with no missed spots. They're also one of the easiest wipers to install thanks to their quick-locking attachment system. But here's where Bosch stands out. These wipers are built for extreme weather. Whether you're dealing with blistering heat, freezing snow, or heavy rain, the Bosch icons hold up better than most rubber wipers. The only reason they're not number one? They use rubber instead of silicone, so while they're durable, they won't last quite as long as silicone options. And now, the best windshield wipers of 2025, the Rain-X Silicone Endura. These silicone wipers are simply next level when it comes to clarity, durability, and smooth operation. What makes them the best? Unlike rubber blades, silicone wipers don't degrade due to UV rays, ozone, or extreme weather. Plus, as they wear in, they deposit a Rain-X-like water repellent on your windshield, meaning better visibility, even without extra treatment. At $26 per blade, they offer the best balance of performance, durability, and price, making them our top pick for 2025. And that's a wrap on the best windshield wipers of 2025. Whether you need budget-friendly blades, heavy-duty winter wipers, or premium silicone performance, there's a perfect choice for every driver. But if you want the absolute best, the Rain-X Silicone Endura is the clear winner, offering superior durability, ultra-smooth performance, and built-in water-repellent technology that keeps your windshield crystal clear in any weather. Which wipers are you using right now? Drop a comment below and let us know your go-to pick. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Consumer Picks for more top product reviews, comparisons, and expert recommendations. Ready to upgrade your wipers? All the links are in the description below so you can grab the perfect set for your car today. Drive safe, stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next video. Car exhaust.